Welcome to our bioengineering lab. Today, I'll show you how an artificial heart is created using spinach leaves, step by step.
The leaves are perfect. Scan confirms organic status.
Noted. We can approve this shipment.
Scientists discovered plant veins closely resemble human blood vessels.
Spinach leaves contain natural vein structures similar to human blood vessels.
Spinach leaf veins act as a natural scaffold for human blood flow.
Under the microscope, scientists confer that human cells are growing naturally along the plant-based scaffold.
Nature and science, guided by human hands, create life-saving solutions.
Each heart is customized for a real human patient.
Every bioengineered heart is tested for safety and performance.
This technology gives patients a second chance at life.
This is how science, nature, and humanity come together to save lives.
Nature and science, guided by human hands, create life-saving solutions.